Summer loving had me up at last.
Summer loving happened so fast.
Met a girl crazy for me.
Met a boy cute as can be.
Summer days drifting away. For the summer nights, oh well, oh well, oh well, oh fuck! Hello?
Like this, he have a go fuck.
What? No. Because I said so. Yeah. Okay, bye. Fuck! We have to start over again and I was doing so good.